Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to add slow motion video, how to record a slow motion video, and let's get started. So you need to go to this section, and in order to create the video, slow mode it, you need to click on this like right side. You'll find flip and speed. So you're going to click on speed. You can create a slow motion video, or very slow, or fast, or very fast. So after this, you recorded your video and just click on next and click on add text and filters and voiceover what you need. Click on next. You can caption your short, choose your audience, and that's it. I hope the video was helpful for you. If it actually was helpful, please make sure you like it and subscribe to the channel if it actually was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon.